Welcome to Trader Wall. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most essential tools in the world of cryptocurrency, the crypto wallet. If you're new to crypto or looking to better understand how wallets work, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the types of wallets available and how they work. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Introduction to crypto wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet is essential for anyone who wants to store, send, and receive digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Just like a traditional wallet holds your cash or credit cards, a crypto wallet stores your private keys, which are required to access your cryptocurrency holdings on the blockchain. These wallets allow you to interact with the crypto ecosystem, making them fundamental to participating in the world of digital finance. In the simplest terms, a crypto wallet lets you securely store your private keys, the keys to your cryptocurrencies. Without these private keys, you can't access or control your digital assets. But don't worry, we'll dive into how they work and which wallet options might be best for you. Types of crypto wallets. There are two main types of crypto wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Let's take a closer look at both. Hot wallets. Hot wallets are wallets that are connected to the internet, making them easy to use for everyday transactions. These wallets are great if you need quick access to your crypto and frequently make transfers. Hot wallets are available in many forms, including software wallets, mobile wallets, and even web-based wallets, like those provided by cryptocurrency exchanges. Cold wallets. Cold wallets are offline storage solutions, which makes them more secure than hot wallets. They are ideal for people who want to store large amounts of cryptocurrency for long-term purposes and don't plan on making frequent transactions. Cold wallets are often physical devices that store your private keys offline, such as hardware wallets or paper wallets. By being offline, cold wallets reduce the risk of being hacked. Examples of cold wallets include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. While they are more secure, they require more effort to access and use, which is why they're recommended for long-term storage rather than everyday use. Custodial wallets. Custodial wallets are wallets where a third-party provider, like an exchange, controls your private keys. In these wallets, you don't have full control over your assets, but the service provider manages the security. Examples include wallets provided by platforms like Coinbase or Binance. These wallets are easier to set up and use, but come with the trade-off of reduced control over your funds. Non-custodial wallets. Non-custodial wallets, on the other hand, give you full control over your private keys and assets. You don't have to rely on a third party to safeguard your funds. This is the preferred option for many experienced users because it allows greater control and security. Examples include wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. How crypto wallets work. Crypto wallets work by generating and storing cryptographic keys, public and private keys. The public key is like your wallet's address that you can share with others to receive cryptocurrency. The private key is what you use to access and control your funds. It's essential to keep your private key secure, as anyone with access to it can control your crypto. When you send cryptocurrency to someone, you're essentially signing a transaction with your private key, which proves that you're the rightful owner of the funds. Similarly, when you receive crypto, the funds are sent to your public address, and they're stored in your wallet. Security features of crypto wallets. Security is a major concern when it comes to crypto wallets. Since cryptocurrencies are digital assets, they are susceptible to hacking, loss, or theft. Here are some key features of crypto wallets that help protect your assets. Private key encryption. The private key is the most important piece of information in your wallet. Wallets use encryption to secure private keys and ensure that only you can access your funds. Backup phrases. Most wallets will give you a backup or recovery phrase when you set them up. This phrase is crucial because it allows you to recover your wallet if you lose access to it. Keep this phrase in a safe place offline. Multi-signature. Some wallets use multi-signature security, which requires more than one private key to authorize a transaction. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially for large amounts of cryptocurrency. Wallet compatibility with different cryptocurrencies. Not all wallets are created equal, and some are tailored to specific cryptocurrencies. For example, Bitcoin wallets only support Bitcoin, while Ethereum wallets are built to store Ether and ERC20 tokens. Many wallets, however, support multiple cryptocurrencies. These are called multi-currency wallets, and they allow you to manage a wide range of coins all in one place. Before choosing a wallet, it's important to check whether it supports the specific cryptocurrencies you plan to use. For instance, if you're heavily invested in Ethereum, make sure your wallet supports Ether and ERC20 tokens. What to look for when choosing a crypto wallet? Choosing the right crypto wallet depends on several factors. Here's what to consider when making your decision. Security. Always prioritize security features such as private key encryption, backup recovery phrases, and multi-signature support. Ease of use. Some wallets are user-friendly and easy to set up, while others may require more technical know-how. Choose one that matches your comfort level. Supported cryptocurrencies. Make sure the wallet supports the cryptocurrencies you plan to store and trade. Backup and recovery options. Make sure the wallet offers strong backup and recovery options in case you lose access to it. Conclusion. In summary, understanding what a crypto wallet is and how it works is crucial for anyone entering the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're just starting out or have been involved in crypto for a while, choosing the right type of wallet, hot or cold, custodial or non-custodial, can have a significant impact on how you manage your assets and how secure they are. Remember, always prioritize security. Make sure your backup phrases and private keys are safely stored, and choose the wallet that best fits your needs, whether you're looking for ease of use or high security for long-term storage. Crypto wallets are more than just tools for storing your digital assets. They are your gateway to securely navigating the decentralized world of cryptocurrencies. So, choose wisely, stay secure, and enjoy the benefits of owning and managing your digital assets. That wraps up our video on crypto wallets. I hope you now feel more confident about understanding how to store, manage, and secure your digital assets. Remember, choosing the right wallet is key to protecting your cryptocurrencies, so always make sure to prioritize security and ease of use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!